Hello, I'm Rich Gilman, here to talk to you about the SR Rivet Hinge Fasteners. SR applications include coal, aggregate, asphalt, and is compatible with most belting types. FLEXCO conducts rigorous in-house as well as on-site testing to ensure the quality and safety of all our products, and SR is no exception. Let's discuss how to properly select the correct fastener material. Metals that are available are steel, stainless steel, rustalloy, and megaloid. In general, the steel is used for most applications. Stainless steel is for resistance to magnetic attraction as well as corrosion from acids and chemicals. Rustalloy is for resistance of corrosion or chemical attacks, and megaloid provides superior resistance to wear and abrasion. For correct rivet length, the most important detail is to use your FLEXCO rivet gauge to properly select the right rivet for your application. Measure the belt thickness from the end that you cut, whether it's skived or unskived. Using the gauge, getting and confirming a snug fit, whether skived or unskived. Let me show you how easy it is to install. As you can see, the rivets set themselves. Plus, the additional benefit of the scalloped edge allows for the fastener's leading edge to better set into the belt top cover, providing improved, cleaner fastener interface. For optimum selection of your fasteners, rivets, and hinge pin, reference your FLEXCO literature to match your application. FLEXCO continues to be your #1 performance partner through quality and service. The FLEXCO SR Rivet Hinge system helps minimize downtime and maximize output. A quick and easy solution for both scheduled and unscheduled belt maintenance. For more information, contact your local FLEXCO representative or visit flexco.com.